What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, testing and unboxing videos, then you have just come to the right place. Stay tuned. We're going to unbox the AKASO V50X, new action camera that I picked up. So we're going to unbox it. I'm going to give you a first impression. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to be unboxing my new action camera from AKASO. Now if you're new to my channel, this makes number 5 of my action cameras from AKASO, and I'm not done testing and reviewing one of them, my newest one, but I just couldn't sit on this one. I had been watching it for a little while and they finally marked it down, so I picked it up on sale. So it retails at $129. But I got it for a little bit cheaper than that. It was on sale. But I want to give you kind of a first impression. If you're in the market for an action camera, I'm going to do a huge side-by-side video of all of them after I really test this one out, and let you make a good educated decision on which one you want. This is the V50 4K Wi-Fi waterproof action camera. It shoots in 4K 30 frames per second, 20 megapixel photos, a touchscreen, 131 feet waterproof with the waterproof housing that comes with it. It has a splash proof remote distance of 33 feet that you can be away from it and control this camera. Comes with a pile of accessories. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. It uses the exact same app as all the others, AKASO Go. So we're gonna dive into this and let's do a first impression on it. We're gonna be using the Gerber flat iron cleaver blade to get into this bad boy. So check that out. I did a review of this knife. I put a card up there, up top. You can go check it out. I really like this knife. If you like a bigger folding knife, good grip and really nice knife, then go check this one out. So let's cut the tape. Learn to go in from the bottom with these. So if you buy one, let me explain to you. If you go in from the top, it makes it really difficult to get everything out. Cut it from the bottom and you can pull this open, and then you got a little tab there. You can grab that and you can pull this whole box out, which includes your camera. So we'll set that to the side, and we know what these waterproof housings are. So okay, so I like the look of this one. It looks different. See that? So the camera itself is not waterproof. You can tell that by these ports are open. So you've got your micro SD port and you've got your charging spot and your external microphone if you want to use one. This one does have the tripod mount on the bottom and your battery case. Oh, it's attached. I was not expecting that. So you got your battery box attachment there, your power button on the front, shutter button on the top, and an up and down button on the side, which I'm guessing will help get you through the functions. So I like this. It's kind of a rubber, but a soft touch rubber feel. So it feels like it would be pretty durable. Let's take this. Take that off the lens. So there is our, I gotta remember, V50X. All right, and let's go ahead and take this one off. There it is. You can see me. You can see my camera. Look how clean that lens is. You can pick up some lens protectors. I don't know how much they'll run. I just picked up some for one of my other cameras over on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. So I like to keep that as clean as I can, just because you don't want to get scratched up and then not be able to really use your camera. But your waterproof housing, it's just going to slide in like so. Got a big O-ring around here, and that just locks on and locks down. Now your camera is waterproof. We got one more little, pull that off. Like I said, this ran me, or retails for $129. I didn't pay that. I paid less And then in your box, you have a ton of accessories. See all that? Of course, you have your silica gel pack. Do not eat this, okay? Just FYI. In case you were new to the silica gel packs. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. You have your wrench that you can take it on and off, use your attachments. And you have your remote strap, wrist strap. I'm not gonna go through all these attachments. You have a pile of stuff. You have an extra, if I can get it out, an extra back. Now this back has holes in it, which allows sound to get in. It's still gonna be muffled. It's still not gonna really get good audio when you have it in that waterproof housing. When it's in that waterproof housing, that is just really for being waterproof and just getting video with not dependable audio. This gives you a little bit of a chance for some audio, but I still wouldn't trust this near water because it's got holes in it, okay? Let's dig around. Here's the remote. There's your remote. You got a video and a camera button. And I really want to see our batteries, because I don't know which batteries it comes with. You've got this little guy here. They all come with the same, every AKASO that I've ever gotten all come with the same accessories. You have this little guy, tripod mount, so it can go in there and not be waterproof. You can get a lot better audio with that. It does mount directly to a tripod, but if you wanted to use a little more attachment, and it has clips that it can actually clip onto stuff. So there's that. Where are my batteries? Here's a battery. So these, I think these are going to be the same, maybe. These might be the same as they're small, so they may be the same as the EK7000s. I'm not sure. We'll have to test that out. I'll put it across the screen if I'm right or if I'm wrong. But they look about the same size as the EK7000s, but I think they're a different milliamp. So I don't know. We'll test it. We'll see. And yeah, you should have 2 batteries. The charger will charge 2 batteries at one time. Or you can actually plug your camera in with a battery in it and it will charge that way as well. So we're gonna dive into this bad boy and test it. Let me know in the comments, what kind of testing would you like to see? I'm gonna do some serious testing. I don't know if this one has image stabilization. There's nothing on the box that tells me it does. I know some of the step up models do have image stabilization for recording, so I don't know if this one does or not, so we're gonna have to dive in and really test that out. But I'm gonna do side-by-side video of a couple different models, and maybe even all 4 different models that I own, and see which one has the best video and picture quality and all of that stuff, so you can make a decision. They range, the ones that I own range anywhere from about $70 to about $160. So there's 4 different models. I own 5, 2 of the same. So I own 4 different models. This one is right, I think, about number 3 from the bottom. I think there's only one that's a little pricier than this one, but stay tuned because we're gonna jump in on some testing of this bad boy. And yes, make sure you don't miss out. Be watching for it. We've got some more videos coming out from the other cameras as well. I've actually just jotted down some video ideas for the other ones, even backing up to some of the old ones that I've already done videos on, trying to step it up and do a few more testing videos with them. I've used them. I love the AKASO brand. I have them, I use them, I've taken them hiking, I've taken them to the beach. My kids have swam with them in the pool. I love the AKASO brand, so I'm sure this one will not disappoint, but we just got to see what all features it has and the functionality of it. Is it worth the money? So, there you go. If you enjoyed any part of this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a little breezy. out here. It's nice when it was really, really hot today. So it's starting to feel a little better and a little more enjoyable to be out here. So yeah, that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like I said, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to click that little bell so you're notified when new videos drop. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.